Shawty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
What's up, guys? So when training shoulders, I like to switch it up. Some days I use heavy weights with low reps. And then on some days I do high volume training, which is high reps with lighter weight. On this particular day, I decided to go with lighter weight, higher volume. So for each exercise, I did 4 to 5 sets, keeping the rep range between 10 to 12 reps. In 2 weeks, I will begin pre-planning my workouts. So if you have any workout recommendations, do me a favor, comment down below. If you like this video and would like to see a more detailed shoulder workout, do me a favor, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.
She a bitch, she a dollar, not a dime. Super big, super fine, most important, super smart.